Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Sunday, 30th of July 2017, and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 28th of July. Gold rose $14 last week from $1,255 to $1,269, having hit a high of $1,270 and a low of $1,244. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £966, that's up £1. And in euros, it closed at €1,080, that's up €4 on the week. Silver rose 20 cents, from $16.51 to $16.71, having hit a high of $16.81 and a low of $16.29. In sterling terms, it closed at £12.72, that's up 2 pence for the week, and in euros it closed at 14.22 euros, that's up 0.07 euros. The gold to silver ratio fell slightly from 75.95 to 1 to 75.94 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 21,830, up 33 points on the day and up 250 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 6,374, down 7 points on the day and down 13 points on the week. Brent crude rose $4.46 from $48.06 to $52.52, and US light crude rose $3.94 from $45.77 to $49.71. The dollar index stands at 93.25, that's down 0.33 on the week. After trading lower early in the week, gold prices rose on Wednesday after a fall in US Treasury yields made the US dollar a less attractive investment. The two main events that drove yields and the dollar lower were the US Federal Reserve's interest rate decision and monetary policy statement. As expected, the Fed unanimously declined to raise interest rates and implied that it is ready to begin winding down its stimulus program in September rather than December as previously expected. Gold rose again on Friday after the dollar weakened in reaction to US GDP growth picking up 2.6% in the second quarter, in line with expectations. However, first quarter GDP was revised downwards to 1.2%. Fundamentally, gold is supported by the dovish outlook for US interest rates and the gradually weakening US economy. We see gold prices peaking this week, and once the Friday's US non-farm payrolls report is out of the way, we then expect to see a gradual August fallback. Like gold, silver began trading weaker early on, and then strengthened as the week progressed. Some traders are predicting $17 silver very soon. We still maintain our position that this week may see firmer prices and then fallbacks as we get underway into August thereafter. Keep an eye on developments in North Korea and increasing tensions with Russia. That said, the strength of the US dollar is key at the moment, and to a large extent, its direction is influencing gold and silver prices, as witnessed by almost no change in sterling and euro prices. A final comment in relation to our political videos. We are noticing once again some extremely vitriolic statements by certain subscribers when we publish any critical comments re the Trump presidency. We have just this to say. We comment on Trump and his administration because they are actually in power. Whatever the Clintons did, right or wrong, good or bad, is not the focus of our attention right now because they currently have no power. Yes, there should be justice for all, and we would all like to see that. However, if some subscribers feel so appalled because we levy the slightest criticism against the way Donald Trump runs his presidency, then frankly, you would not survive our inner sanctum when it is eventually launched. By all means disagree with us and state your disagreements with counter-arguments. That's fine. But please avoid expletives and making vulgar and incredibly discourteous remarks. If it's too much for you, then just skip the video. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/IlluminatiSilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.